Hello, I'm Don Ronalds with Spike It, and we're going to show you how to correctly cook plastisol today in a microwave. And we've got some clear plastisol here, we've got a Pyrex glass dish here, and we've got a metal spatula. We've already poured our plastisol in here, so now it's time to go to the microwave and get started. Alright, our first step with cooking plastic is to put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes for the first time. And I like to use a dedicated microwave. I don't use one in my kitchen at home. Microwaves are very economical, so I've got one here in my shop. Alright, the plastic's already heated for 1.5 minutes. And we're going to take it out and stir it just for a second there. And that makes sure we have even heat distribution here. We don't want to burn it on the sides or anything. We'll put it back in for another 30 seconds now. And we're going to cook it in several 30-second intervals until it's heated up correctly. And if you see that I'm using a metal spatula here, you want to use metal when you stir in your plastic, or either glass. If you use any kind of wood products, it's going to bubble when you put it in the hot plastic. And if you use plastic like a nylon or any other type of plastic spatulas, they're going to melt on you, so you need to use something like this. Right, we're heating this in 30-second intervals, and when this plastic first starts out cold, it's really white and thin. Now as it gets hotter, you're going to notice it's starting to clear up and it's going to get thicker. It's starting to clear up now, getting a little thicker. But the next time we pull it out, it's going to be really thick. As it gets up to around 330 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it really thickens up and thins back out, so it's ready to use. And now I can see this getting thick. So you notice it's really thick now. Now as it heats a little more, it's going to thin back down again so it's usable. And it looks like the plastic is just about ready now. It got really thick and then it thinned back down and turned clear. And that's a nice viscosity there, so once it goes through this stage, you know it's ready. And what I like to do to maintain the temperature on this is use a small convection oven. So until I'm ready to use this, I'm going to put it in this oven here. And I've got this preset to about 340 degrees. And I can leave it in there for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour until it's ready to use. Right, we've gone through the steps on heating the plastisol. We put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and we use 4 30-second intervals, stirring it in between each interval there. And we put it in this small holding oven here to maintain the temperature and keep it until it's ready to use.